So go on YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Billy, your YouTube dread, all for one grind. Now the next because the world won't stop, and we're about to swap out some struts today on the beast. Yes sir, we gotta swap them out because I'm gonna show you guys. One of them is kind of leaking on the driver's side, so the struts, the shock strut, whatever you want to call it, shock strut. I call it strut. Some people say shock. I guess it's a shock. Boo-hoo. Anyways, yes, we're about to replace that bad boy today, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna show you guys what else I'm gonna do to it while I'm on there swapping them out, because it's kind of pulling to the left. Well, when you're sitting it to the left on the driver's side, so maybe it's the shock or strut, however you want to call it. And so we're gonna swap them out, see if that takes care of the remedy. All right, so we got these KYB shocks here from a good old AutoZone. So we go see how those fare up against the stock shocks. Then we got our tow hooks right there. And we got the little bezel that goes around it, and then we got this little $5 deal we got from Walmart for the license plate. So I'm installed all those today, and yeah, like I said. But before we get the truck in here, I'm gonna pull it in a little bit. We will get all these toys out of here, and we'll go pull the truck in. But before we do that, let me get you guys this cold start. Man, that thing never gets old. I kind of miss my old muffler delete, but this the Carven really does sound good. It kind of tones it down, calms it down a little bit. But let's get to it, man.
If me no reach this year, next year nah pass.
Alright, so we got the truck in the garage. I got it jacked up already. Got the air compressor all aired up. So we're about to rip this wheel off, and then we're gonna start on this side. I need to get me a better jack. Well, like a 5-ton jack. I don't have no chocks in the back there. It is very important that you use chocks under your wheels, especially when you're working on your vehicle. So let's get this wheel thing. So we got the wheel, and up top here is an 18 millimeter nut, and down here we got two half-inch bolts down there. So we go pop those off. It seems pretty easy. I've never done one before, but it seems like you just lose them and they fall right out. So we gonna get to it. The old one out, which is this bad boy right here, and comparing it to the KYB from AutoZone, and the original seems to be a bit thicker, but we'll see how they fare up, or see how quick we'll have to change them. Good way to tell that you got a no good struts if you do this. Look at that, it doesn't even come back up, it just stays down. That's shock. Haha. Just made up funny. I just said that shock. Anyway, this one right here, push it down. Ooh, I can't do it with one hand. Activate the gases. Boom. So it slowly comes back up. That one didn't even move. Alright, so from this diagram here, it doesn't really tell you how you're supposed to put these on. But I'm guessing, since, hold on, let me try to get some light up there. There. I'm guessing from the hole right there that this goes down in there, because it seems to not move, and then this end stays up here and goes up in there. I mean, We shall see, because it doesn't give a clear explanation of how you actually set it up. I mean, there are no words. I'm guessing this is just like a generic setup. So let's get to it. Another little problem here, as you could see, the length on the original strut, you know, to tread the nuts longer than the AutoZone. Let me get a better angle. As you can see, the gas part is longer, but this to me is shorter. I don't know, so I had to get some wood and car jack it up there just to get it to tread just a little up here. So we shall see. I'm gonna tread it down and I'm gonna do the other side. I don't know if I like the way it's setting up or the way it's looking, but I'll test it out and I'll let you guys know if it's better to get the KYB or it's just best to go OEM from the dealer. Alright, so I got one side set up already. I'm not completely sold on it. You know, I had to use one of my other car jacks to jack up the spindle here to get it all tightened up, or the knuckle, whatever you want to call it. So on my install the next side, I probably won't show you guys. I won't show you guys the install on the next side. I'm gonna just show you guys when I'm starting to install the tow hooks in the front there. But like I said, I'm gonna do the next side off camera. I'm gonna give it a week and see how it drives, and if it feels like crap, then I'm gonna just return it by the dealer one. Okay, so we got the shocks installed up there. I took it for a drive. I didn't record anything. It feels like it kind of has that pull in there still, so I'm gonna have to take it to my guy and have him take a look at it, check the alignment. Maybe I'm missing something, but we're gonna get ready to install these bad boys right here. So I'm gonna take these out, install those. I've been having those for a while, ordered these, so hopefully it's the right ones. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna loose out these bolts right here. I got 4 bolts, and I believe I might need to loose one of these bolts here. I think it's on this side here though, to get that tow hook all bolted up. So I'm gonna start loosening these bolts. There you guys have it. Got those stuff installed. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure on that shock. I just didn't like the way it's set up there. It sat up there. After I installed it, I went for a drive. I still kind of had the pull, so I'm gonna take it to my guy shop and have him check the alignment, and you know, if it's straight, see if there's anything that I missed underneath there that's probably worn out. But apart from that, man, it doesn't ride too bad. I'll give it like a week and I'll let you guys know how it feels, or if I should just spend the money and get the OEM. You know what I'm saying? Because the OEM did look beefier than the KYB from AutoZone. So I don't know. I know KYB to be a good brand, but you know, I don't know. But man, if you like this video, man, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, hit that notification bell, and until the next one, guys, make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed. May God